We've had two teams competing here for the first ever Manufacturing Team Challenge in Wales, one from Coleg Llandrillo Cymru and one from Deeside College. They've been faced with a number of different tasks along the manufacturing field. There's been some fabrication, there's been some turning, milling, CAD skills, computer-aided design skills, some electronics. And the idea is to generate a Team Wales approach that will be able to compete on a national level initially, and then hopefully on an international level for Wales and the UK.
Basically the competition was to make a candle-powered windmill that is able to count its RPM. I decided I didn't want to stay in on sixth form, I wanted to come to college and do engineering. I applied for Airbus, and then straight away I got into that after the first year of doing engineering in college.
More and more employers are seeing the worth, not just because it's a competition and perhaps the company can use it as marketing or whatever, but they do see the actual change in perhaps some of the students or apprentices. You can see that they're more motivated and want to go to these events and compete.
It's a way of establishing how well we do against other colleges. It brings out a competitive nature in them, but also a bit of self-belief. Sometimes they can't actually believe or they can do different things until they're challenged. And the level of success and satisfaction that they get from competing propels them into maybe tackling other tasks that they probably might not have challenged before.
This is the first time I've taken part in one of these challenges. I thought today was really good. I learnt a lot and learnt new things about new people and understood more about engineering in the workplace. Today the most fun part of the day was actually working on the machines, making parts out of metal.
The team that comes out best will go forward towards the national competitions. That team could then go on to represent the UK, and the next Skills Olympics will be in Brazil in 2015.
Well, I think we've worked well as a team, for one. Good communication as well. And I think we did well by splitting each other's roles up. Teamwork. So definitely teamwork and communicating well with each other.
I think thinking on your feet, trying to think what you need to do instead of something if something doesn't work is what I learned from today really. I think I would take part in another skills competition. I've already been asked by my tutor if I want to do it again next year.
They get more training, they get challenged more, they have to think on their own, they have to problem solve, and all the skills that are required by industry. So they become better employees for the companies in the local area.